Yes, the people, we outside, rain and fall. So we have to cook some food. Alright, just so now, we have one hoghead that out. So I knows sweetest part this. See it? Sweetest part. I know it, yeah. But there, we want to go on with the rain cooking. Shown earlier on, rain and fall weather. So right here, so I have a little cold stove. I'm going to get light up shortly. As I see pot there ready. See? I just finished cut up the hoghead. I want to do some curry hoghead. Pretty little pumpkin. Maybe I just cook some pumpkin dumpling for people. I remember a weather. When you talk about weather, you have to talk about them strong food. Yeah. You can't come with no little tin mackerel. Weather, yeah? And some curry hoghead I go on. So stick and stay, my people. So hoghead cut up and ready for wash off, season up. And you don't know, after that, a curry style. Yeah, man, so get the meat wash off. Serious piece of cooking in the night, you know. See it? Meat pretty. Yeah, man. Wash off it, get a second wash. So time to get down to business, you know. So first, curry me add to it, you know. Some curry goat seasoning. I get a ram goat taste. Next, I have to top up it with a little Maggi all purpose. Then I go some cool runnings. And by weather food we have to prepare now with people, so good food, strong food. Next in line, some chili powder. Like when it's spicy, you know. Must I eat that then we massage in it, you know. And make it go and marinate. So we just put it down to marinate, we just light up the fire. And then I know what next. Yeah, man, so we just leave that to marinate in, you know, my people. Weather food we have prepared. Right, you know, so you know, we are get down to business, you know. I'm not joking thing, you know, man. Get the fire ready. Cool. So what you are going on now, you have some people. I napkin this. So we do cooking oil. So we just wet up the napkin. Always leave a little spot dry for light, because if I wet up all light, you're not going to be able to light. You see it? That is it. See it, my peeps? Gone a road. Yeah, out again, man. Yeah, out again. Alright. Fire up and running here now. You know we have to just set on the pot. Make the pot go on hot. Before we can burn the curry. That's how we are doing it. Because remember say we are going on night cooking. Some curry pork and some pumpkin pop chow dumpling. Strong food in the weather, yeah, my people. You see it? Yeah, man. But why we people have to the parcel of flour, yeah? From the stem of flour, I don't know, it's a poor man food, you know. Yeah, man. From the stem of 2 little parcel of flour, I don't know a poor man food. 2 pounds of flour. With 1 big pot of pork. So what we have to go do here now, we have to go use the pumpkin here now and step up the pot. And so we have a pop tray here, where we are going to blend with the pumpkin. So when we go on, watch where I go on, stick and stay. You know you are going to wash your pop tray. Them always say, add salt in the water. So I grew up come see my mother do it. But I get to realize the reason why. Because them say, I'm afraid of salt. So friends, you put salt in the water and put the pop tray worm on it. And the salt water take them. They have to come off of the pop tray in the water and you see them. Yeah, man. So we just need 4 leaf pop tray. You know? Pop tray look good. You see no worm. Just so cut off them part here now. You know? Wash off all my pumpkin. Man, so we just dice up with pumpkin. So it's blendable, you know. Once the pumpkin done, we have to just put up the pop tray, smaller, blend easy. And we don't really need the white part, you know, we just kind of need the green part, but anyway, still I cut them up. Alright, so we just drop them in the blender. Now I need so much water. Yeah, man, health is wealth. So we are going the healthy way. Yeah, man, so pot at you now, so add in the oil to burn the curry. I don't know if you can hear me people rain a beat on the roof. So me now, I like to burn my curry with garlic, ginger and pepper. So I go to work. Man, I'm combine everything. Looking good, my people. Yeah. Oh, no more than that. Boy, 2 pounds of flour, yeah. Looks steep. Alright, my people, watch how I go on. I want to rate me. My dumpling. Watch ya. So you need dumpling. You need it, you don't want it wet, you don't want it spoil. You just need it in, you know. Remember, health is wealth. And a pumpkin pop try dumpling. I want to rate it. Watch how I go on. See it? You put that down tomorrow. Make more than enough. So you go sometime, man. And anybody can need them, make dumpling and make it them way and make it come out so perfect, you know. Watch how I go on. All past steam and fly out. We are do, we are make it go and cook down. Where all of the oil just dry out tight. Before we add in some water. Cause I like when you get that slight burn there, that taste there. The aroma there from that taste there. It will look. So I go on, people. See it? All past steam and fly out, man. Oh God, man. Curry again. Health is wealth. Add some water to it, you know, satisfied with the look. Set him to cook back down again, lock it back. Well, you know weather time, so we have to just sit down and easy back. And wait till the pot down cook and take a drink. So you go in the weather, my people. See, health is wealth, remember. Pumpkin pop try dumpling. Neat and fine. Where the food them man? Late in the night, take them a food man. Eat all the curry pork later on and pork start grunt in a back. Oh God. Rain a beat down on the roof. What a wow. I throw them dumpling and eat me people. My dumpling when you make, when you cook, and wife here go eat, make them neat, and a rude boy style.
The wife and I eat from it, the wife and I eat pork.
Well, he eat sauce of dumpling. Look. See it? Last one. I want the tooks me people, what am I doing? Make a roll up. See it? Come on. When you see that thing, you know, say, the Arnold part, the near. You know, say, put the near. Right, the people. I say the beef pork, you know. Tasty gravy. Tell me, look, my people. Like you ready to come off. So just take it off, put it down, make it go and cool. And wait for the dumpling them to boil, you know. Want them boil properly, you know. Remember, we have a pumpkin in the same way. Can't leave out the pumpkin, health is wealth. Pumpkin, that you can see. So you know, next time we touch a pot, we take it off and consume it. Stick around. You're looking so delicious, my people. Just want to see it off by fire now. What next? Yeah. As you look closely, you know every dumpling afloat. So you know what that means. Dumpling them cook. Now go on. Remember, curry, hoghead, dumpling, pumpkin, pop chow, dumpling. Okay, go in there. Everything picnic. Poor dumpling. Time to consume.
Anyone? You're probably not.
Why my people? I show off me, I show off, see, but I tell you now.
That's cute.
We like when you taste this one.
Yes, peeps, this is part of the pig, you know, this is the head. We're gonna try it, you know? Yeah, man. Gosh, man.
Talk about nice food.
Yeah?
This we are talk about curry, hoghead, pumpkin pop try dumpling. You know, pumpkin on the side, same way, boil. Where I go on? Why to your food strong? All the box twist up. Why food they muscle up in the box, so the box twist up. Health is wealth. So I go on. Clean people. Man. Food bad. So yes, the people, it was a nice and epic content. So just leave a comment, you know, and make me know what you think about it. If you guys ever try or if somebody ever prepare it for you, curry again, pumpkin pop try dumpling, no. Yeah man, so until then, meet up again. Peace.